Okay, welcome back children. We are starting with exercise 6.3. Question number 3 we have to start. The question says, find the square roots of 100 and 169 using the repeated subtraction method. Repeated subtraction method means keep repeating the subtraction until and unless you don't get 0. Okay, so which numbers do we subtract? We subtract these type of numbers. Yes, we subtract the pair of odd numbers. Yes, we subtract the odd numbers. We don't subtract all the numbers, but we subtract the consecutive odd numbers. So we start with the first odd number. Keep subtracting until and unless we don't get a 0. 'This comes out to be 44 or 64. 64 minus 13 will give us 51. 51 minus 15 will give us 46. 46 minus 17 will give us 29. 29 minus 19 will give us. Are we going correct? Four, 6, 5. This will be 3. Yes. 51 minus 15. Yeah, it will be 3. That's what. This is 36. So here is 36. This is 36. 36 minus 17 is 19. So this is 19 and 19 minus 19 gives us 0. So how much of subtraction have we done? How many subtraction have we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the square root of 100 is what? 10. Okay, by the repeated subtraction method. Then we start for 169 minus 1, 9, 168, 165, 160, 53, 3, 144, 133, 120, 105, this is 8, 88, 88 minus 90 will divide. This becomes 7, this becomes 18, 25. Correct? Yes, correct. And the next odd number after 23 will be 25. Answer is 0. So how many subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is what? 13. Okay, so this completes the question number 3. Then we start with the next question. Question number 4. Find the square roots of the following numbers by using the prime factorization method. So we have to find the square roots again using the prime factorization method. That is, first one is 729. First one is 729. So we start the prime factorization. Do you know what is a prime factorization? This is the prime factorization method where we find out the factors who are only and only prime numbers. Okay. So we cannot take 2. Why? Because if we see the divisibility rule, so for a number to be divisible by 2, the last digit should be an even number. But here it is 9, which is not an even number. So we leave 2, we go to 3. 3 is a prime number. For 3, we add the number of digits. This is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 3? Yes. That means this number is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now again you check by 3. 2 4 6 3 9. Again this is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Then again this is also divisible by 9 because 8 plus 1 is 9. Divisible by 3 because 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Then 3 9s are 27, sorry. And 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors of 729. So they all will go in under root. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now we'll take out the जोड़ा बाहर ना, पेयर बाहर आते हैं जिनके पास पार्टनर्स हैं. This part comes out. This comes out. This comes out. So what is the answer? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So the square root of 729 is 27. That means if you multiply 27 by 27, you will get 729. So 729 is the square of 27 and 27 is the square root of 729. So this completes the first one. Second one is 400. It is very easy. Let's see how. Because it's having a number what? 0. That is, you can say an even number. So 2 2s are 4. This is 200. Then this is 100. Then it is 50. Then it is 25. Then it is 5 5s and 5 1s. So we have to find the square root. So we put the root under all the factors. Pairs come out. 1. This is another one. This is another one. यानी कि सब बाहर आ गए. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. That means if you multiply 20 by 20, you will get 400. You can see last digit is even, so we start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 goes carry over, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are, now it won't go by 2. So let's check whether it goes by 3. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9, yes it will go by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 7s are 21. Again it will go by 3. Why? Because 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. 12 जाएगा, 2 बचेगा, 2 इसके साथ हो जाएगा, 2 7 is 27, 3 9s are 27. अगर नहीं बनता है तो simply you can do it in the rough work like this. Okay? Don't get confused कि कैसे आ गया. ठीक है, सिंपल डिवीजन कर लो आप साइड में और आंसर लिख दो, क्वेश्चन नीचे लिख दो. Then 7 7s are is 49, 7 1s are is 7. Now we find the root, square root of 1764, that is 1764, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. The jodas come out. This is one pair, this is another pair, this is another pair. सबका एक एक बाहर आ गया. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s is 42. That means 42 is the square root of 1764. Then we take out the pair, we don't put the root. Okay, to come out from the root, the rule is to have a pair. If you have a pair, if they have a partner, the same number, then they can come out. Okay, this is for square root. This completes the third one. Then we go to the fourth one. What is the fourth one? 4096. 4096. So we do the prime factorization of 4096. Last digit is even, so it will go by 2. 2 2s are, 2 0s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are. Still it will go by 2. 2 1s are, 2 0s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Still it will go by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Still it will go by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Still it will go by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are 16. Still it will go by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are. Still it will go by 2. 2 32s are, then 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Will give you 2. Okay? If you are not able to write directly, you divide by 2 in the rough work and then you can write your answer. Okay? There's no harm. Only thing is you will take a little extra time. It's okay. You can take. Yes, you have 3 hours to write the paper. So you can always take your time. Why you want to always complete the paper in a hurry? है ना? हम आराम से करेंगे. You do your things in your rough work. Side में एक rough work बना लीजिए. And then you divide these numbers by 2. Why we are dividing by 2? Because we see every time an even number is coming in the end. What are the even numbers? All the multiples of 2. That is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are known as even numbers because they are divisible by 2. That is also one thing. Okay, now we write the factors. So 4096 is equal to, that equal to has come here. Okay, I am putting it here. Now, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 2s are there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, I am continuing it here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we make the pairs. This is first pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, and sixth pair. Now, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 into 2 will give you 64. Okay, so what is the square root of 4096? 64, or even you can say the square of 64 is 4096, or you can say if you multiply 64 by 64, you will get the answer as 4096. That is 4096. You can see the last digit is even, so we start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, then 2 once again. 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18, 3s are 6, and 6 are 12. Again, 2 9s are 18, 6 are 12, 8. कितना 2 आ रहा है? 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4 2, 1 2 1. 11s are 11 is 121, right? So these are your prime factors of 7744. So 7744 is equal to how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't have place, so I'm continuing here. Now we take out the pairs out. This is the pair, this is the pair, this is the pair, and this is the pair. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 11s is 88. That means if you multiply 88 by 88, you will get the answer as 7444, or you can say the square root of 7444 is 88. So this completes the fifth part. Then we go to the sixth part. Sixth part is 9604. We start with 2 because the last digit is even. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2. Again by 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 0s are, 1s are. Now, it is not going by 3. Yes, because 7 has come. So what should be the next number? It will not go by 4 also. Because last two digits, that is 0 1, is not divisible by 4. That means it will not go by 4 also. Then by what number it should go? It will not go by 5 also. What is the next even number? 7. Let's check by 7. 7 3s are 21, 3 are 21, 30 हो जाएगा, 4 are 28. हाँ, it will go. So it will go by 7. 7 3s are 21. See, it was not going by 2, so we check the next prime number. After 2, what is the next prime number? 3. Not going by 3, check by 5. Not going by 5, checked by 7. It is going by 7. So 7 3s are 21. 3 4s are 28. 3s are 21. Okay. Again, check by 7 only. 7 4s are 28. 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. These are the prime numbers of prime factors of 9604. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So this is 2, 7, taking out the pair out, 7. 7 7s are 49, 49 into 2, you can do it here. 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 98. So 98 is the square root of 9604. This completes. The sixth one. Now we start with the seventh one. What is the seventh one? 5929. 5929. 5929. Now children, last digit is not even, so it will not go by 2. Let's check by 3. Next prime number is 3. No. Total is not divisible by 3, so it will not go by 3. Check by 5. Last digit is not 0 or 5, so it will not go by 5 also. Check by 7. 7 8s are 56. 28, 49. Yes, it will go by 7. So let's do it by 7. 7 8s are 56. 3 bacha. 4s are 28. 4 bacha. 7 7s are 49. Again we check by 7 only. 7 1s are 7. 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7. It will go by 11. 121 goes by 11. 11 11s are 11 1s are. So 5929 का square root है 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. This is 7 and this is 11. 11 7s are 77. So this is the seventh question which we have completed, the seventh part. Then children, 8th, 9th and 10th I would like to give you homework. You will try. जैसे 1 to 7 किया है वैसे ही 8th, 9th और 10th करना है. Okay, so that will be your homework. Now we start the next question.